Lastly, we would like to introduce a special lecture on June 15th. A former U.S. Department of Defense DIA employee who worked for 11 years and is currently working as a special advisor to the judge advocate and chief at the U.S. military court in South Korea has prepared a special lecture for junior students. Our special lecture is designed specifically for Koreans and foreigners aged 10 to 15. Why do we need to know the international law? What is the ROK-US Mutual Defense Treaty? What role does the USFK play? What is the difference between treaty and agreement? Please RSVP at your earliest convenience, and we look forward to seeing you and your family at this enriching event. Thank you. For detailed information on the special lecture, please refer to the attached flyer here. Or you may visit our website www.firstclasshannam.com for registration. The background music you are listening to now is Flying, performed by Steve Bearcat. The contents of the First Class Hannam brand profile introduced today are registered with the Korea Copyright Commission. So, we inform you that the copyright belongs to First Class Hannam, and unauthorized reproduction is prohibited without the permission of the copyright owner, founder, and representative, SOPHIE KANG. Here is our contact information, and thank you. This was First Class Hannam.